Hello everyone, I am Prabjot Kaur and today we will start a new topic, that is simplification. How to do simplification sums, this we will do today. Yes, you all know how to do addition, how to do subtraction, multiplication and division. This all operations we have done earlier. Now new topic is simplification. How to do simplification sums. Yes, you all know the operation of off. Off means, suppose we have to find 12 of 125. What does this mean? 12 of 125. Off means 12 times 125. Okay? Off means 12 times 125. Now times means 12 multiplied by 125. So off means multiplication. Okay? Now in a simplification sum, the order in which the operations are to be done is given by odd mass. What is this odd mass means? Odd means O means off. O means off. D means division. M means multiplication. A means addition and S means subtraction. So this is the order in which we do the simplification sums. First of all we will solve off. Okay, off. Then second is division. We will solve division. Third, we will solve multiplication. Then addition and then subtraction. This is the order to simplify a sum. Odd mass. I explain you with an example. Suppose we have to simplify this sum. Okay, suppose we have to simplify this sum. So first of all, do the off operation. First of all, we will solve off operation. Means first of all, we will solve this part. 15 of 50, because off is in this part. Okay. Second is divide. After that, after solving off operation, we will divide. Okay. After that, we will multiply, then addition and then subtract. Now let's start solving this question. So this will be 7829 minus 15 of 50 means 15 multiplied by 50. Okay. We will solve this part first. After that, write the same 25 multiplied by 132 minus 2824 plus 865. So we have to solve this part first. So this will become 7829 minus 15 5s are 75. So this will become 750 divided by 25 multiplied by 132 minus 2824 plus 865. Okay, so first step we have done. Now second step is odd mass. O is over. Now we have to do division. Okay, we have to solve division. So this 750 divided by 25, this is we have to solve this part in the second step. So this will remain same, 7829 minus 750 divided by 25. So this will be 30 multiplied by 132 minus 2824 plus 865. Same. Okay. Rest will be same. Only we have to solve this portion only. 750 divided by 25. Now odd mass. O is done, D is done. Now turn of M, means we will do multiplication in the third step. Okay. So this will be 7829 minus 132 multiplied by 3. 132 multiplied by 3 is 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So this will be 3960 minus 2824 plus 865. Now O is over. D is over, M is over. Now turn off, add. We have to add in next step. So arrange the digits, arrange the numbers, 7829. This will come here, 865 minus 3960 minus 2824. Okay, now we will add these two numbers and we will add these two numbers also, because the signs are same, and if the signs are same, then we always add. Okay, either it's of subtraction sign or addition sign, we always add if the signs are same. Here both the numbers are having same sign. This is negative, this is negative, both are having minus sign, so we will add in this step, and this also we will add. After adding, we will get 8694 minus 6784. Okay, this addition of these two numbers is 8694, addition of these two numbers is 6784, and last step is subtraction. So subtract these two numbers and you will get 1910. So this way you will do simplification sums. You have to keep this thing in mind that we have to solve in this order odd mass. First of all, we will solve off, then division, then multiplication, then addition, and then subtraction. So this way you will do simplification sum. Next is brackets. What are brackets? Where we use brackets? See, when we want to do a particular operation before others, we put it within the bracket. I explain you. Suppose I have to solve this. Then using odd mass, first of all I'll solve this division and then I'll add. Okay, so this will be 100 plus 2, which is 102. But if I put 150 in a bracket, this is bracket. Okay, this is called bracket, and divide by 25. Then what we do, first of all we will solve this portion within the bracket, and after that we will divide. So this will be 150 divided by 25, which is 6. Okay, so when we want to put a particular operation before others, we put it within the brackets. Now there are two in this class. We will deal with two type of brackets. First is this bracket and second is this bracket. So what do we say to this kind of bracket and this kind of bracket? I tell you. This bracket, these brackets are called first brackets, or we can call round brackets or parentheses. We can use any name for this bracket. These are first bracket, or you can say round bracket or parentheses. And these are called second brackets. This curly bracket are called second bracket or curly brackets, or we can call them braces. Okay, so these two kind of brackets we will do in this chapter. And when there are brackets in the simplification sums, the order in which we have to do the operation are BODMAS. Okay, in this order we will do the operations. So BODMAS is brackets. First of all we will solve brackets. Second is off. Third is divide. Fourth is multiplication, and fifth is add, and sixth is subtract. Okay, so when there are brackets in the simplification sum, the order in which the operations are to be done is given by BODMAS. Brackets of, then divide, then multiply, then add, then subtract. Okay, and if there are brackets within brackets, simplify within the inner brackets first. Okay, inner brackets we will solve first, and after that the outer brackets. Now I explain you one example of simplification sum with the brackets. Question is simplify this. This we have to simplify, and I explain you that if there are brackets within the brackets, then we simplify within the brackets first. Okay, so first of all we will simplify within the brackets first. Okay, within the brackets we will solve first. So here is a bracket, this curly bracket is there, and this first bracket is also there, this round bracket. So first of all we will solve within brackets, means these round brackets we will solve at the first step. So this will be 3 minus 38 plus 12, this will be 50, and 98 minus 73 is 25. Okay, now we will solve this bracket. So this will become 3 minus 50 divided by 25 is 2. After that subtract 3 minus 2 is 1. So this way you will solve the sums with brackets. Okay.